Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchases possible. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steam cleaners. On my left, we have the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop, and on my right, the TVD Steam Cleaner. Now, if you think cleaning is boring, well, you haven't met our contestants. They're here to steamroll their way into your hearts, or at least your dirty floors. Let's see which one truly deserves the title of Ultimate Steam Cleaner. First up, the price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is a steal at just $149. That's like 3 fancy lattes a month. Meanwhile, the TVD Steam Cleaner is priced at $179. Reviewers say that if you're on a budget, the Shark is a great choice for its effectiveness and affordability. However, for that extra $30, the TVD offers versatility and a wider range of cleaning tasks, making it worth the investment for some. A verdict? If you're on a budget, Shark might just be your best friend. Next up, tank capacity. The TVD Steam Cleaner has a whopping 52 ounces water tank. That's enough steam to clean your house and then some. It heats up in just 8 minutes and gives you 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Reviewers have noted the convenience of this large tank for longer cleaning sessions. On the flip side, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is a bit shy with its tank size, requiring more frequent refills. While it still gets the job done, users have mentioned that it can be a hassle to refill during longer cleaning tasks. Overall, TVD shines here with its capacity. Now, let's talk features. The Shark is all about that steam pocket action. It's got a neat little feature where steam appears in about 30 seconds after plugging it in. Reviewers love the 3 steam settings, especially for different floor types. But if you don't see steam, you might just be staring at a mop and praying for miracles. Meanwhile, the TVD comes packed with 28 accessories. Reviewers rave about the versatility of these attachments, allowing you to clean everything from floors to delicate surfaces. It's a true multitasker. Now, how easy are these bad boys to use? The Shark is pretty straightforward. Just plug it in, wait for steam, and mop away. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use, especially for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals. But if you're like me and can barely operate a toaster, you might need to read the manual twice. The TVD, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaners. Pull the trigger and boom, you got steam. Reviewers have noted its simplicity in operation. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. You don't want to accidentally steam your pet cat. Overall, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop has received positive feedback for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness on various surfaces. However, it does require frequent refills due to its smaller tank. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner is praised for its versatility, large tank capacity, and numerous attachments, making it suitable for a wider range of cleaning tasks. While it's slightly more expensive, many users feel it justifies the price with its performance and durability. So who's the winner? If you're looking for simplicity and a lower price, Shark's your mop. But if you want versatility and you have a cleaning army to deploy, TVD is your go-to. At the end of the day, it's all about what fits your cleaning style. Whichever one you choose, just remember to have fun while you clean, and maybe steam your ex's picture while you're at it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your steam cleaning stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean, and remember to buy smart.